I'm doing it. I'm going to reveal it right here. The industry's best kept secret. You want to make money online? I'm going to show you how to spend $5 a day on YouTube Shorts ads and make $100 a day. Those of us who are in the know are already starting to do this, and we're already seeing results. So I'm going to be the first one to just reveal it to the rest of you and ruin it for all the big gurus. I'm the infamous Joel, and your boss hates me because I show you how to live a life of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And if you're infamous too, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Now let's go. Now first and foremost, you may be asking yourself, why YouTube Shorts ads? I've been watching your channel for a while, and if you haven't, if you're new here, please subscribe, because this is the stuff I go over. How to make money with YouTube ad shorts with affiliate marketing. That's right, none of your own products, none of your own services, sometimes not even your own ads. You don't even have to make them sometimes. Now I'm going to show you why YouTube Shorts ads, okay? Let's break that down first. Now on this channel, I've talked about Facebook ads, I've talked about TikTok ads, I've even talked about Google ads, but I've never talked to you about YouTube ads, right? YouTube ads, first of all, YouTube is owned by Google, okay? So we'll get into why that's important in a little bit, but specifically, YouTube Shorts are essentially the copycat. They're like the I see you do something, I'm gonna do the same thing, monkey see, monkey do of TikTok, okay? YouTube is competing directly with TikTok with their YouTube Shorts. If you haven't seen them, I mean, you probably have by this point, or you haven't heard of them, or you're doing affiliate marketing and you're saying, yeah, I do YouTube Shorts already. Have you ever considered YouTube Shorts ads? As far as ads, I'm going to explain to you why it's very, very important and why it's very, very powerful and most importantly profitable to be running YouTube Shorts ads right now. I'm doing it myself and it's making a lot of money, okay? I'm going to show you exactly why that is. Now, first of all, the reason YouTube Shorts ads are so powerful compared to like TikTok ads or Facebook ads or any other ads out there, number one is it's owned by Google. We already talked about that a little bit. You already know that YouTube is owned by Google. Therefore, by extension, the YouTube Shorts are also owned by Google. But why is that important as an affiliate marketer? Why is that important if you're selling other people's products and you're trying to make a profit? It's one simple word that escapes a lot of people every single day. It's big time. It's called data, okay? Google has a mountain of data. What do I mean by data? I mean, it knows everything about its users. It knows what videos they watch here on YouTube. It knows what they like. It knows what websites they go to, what they type in the search bar. Google is curated to you and knows every single thing about you. So as far as being an advertiser and running ads, you want as much data as possible to get your ads in front of the right people. That's how I'm able to, and you will be able to by the end of this video, be able to spend $5 a day, just $5, and make back $100 or even more if you're really good with your ads. That's because Google gives you the cheat code. They have a ton of data. The second thing here, by extension, have you ever thought about this? Gmail. Okay, this is going to be kind of a confusing one because you're probably saying, infamous Joel, what does Gmail have to do with YouTube Shorts ads? Okay, I'm going to explain that to you here in a second, but before I reveal that to you, if you're getting value from this video, make sure you smash that like button, make sure you hit that thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Now, why is Gmail important? Think about it. YouTube and Google by extension, they're the parent company. Google, YouTube, spends millions and millions and millions and millions of dollars every single year maintaining your Gmail account, your email account with them, Gmail, right? Why do they do that? If it seems like, well, Gmail is free, so how do they actually make money from it? Very simple. When you make a purchase online, where does your receipt normally go? Your receipt normally goes to your email, right? You get an email copy of your receipt. You get email copies of your receipts when you pay a bill, sometimes when you pay your rent, when you pay off your car. Google actually, read your terms of service, that big long document that nobody reads. Google actually knows your purchase history by scanning the receipts that are coming into your email. They know when you're talking to one of your friends or your relatives, or you're reaching out to a company and emailing support. They know everything that goes in and out of your inbox in your email. And because of that, here's why Gmail is really important, is because you can get your ads in front of buyers. This is huge, 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 huge. gigantic and big time and enormous. What is the most important question on any affiliate marketer's mind when they're first getting started? They want to start making money. Okay, sounds easy, right? It sounds like I just go and get my own personal link from a product that I don't own. I get this agreement with this company to run traffic to their thing, and whenever a sale is made, I make a commission. Seems simple enough. The first question is, okay, how do I get people to buy? And as a very experienced affiliate marketer, I can tell you the easiest way to get to someone who's going to buy your affiliate product is to reach out to people that have bought those types of products before. Simple, point blank, period. Okay, think about anything you've ever bought in your life. A lot of times, if you are a hobbyist, let's say you love photography, it's your passion. Like, first and foremost, you're not just going to buy one camera and like that's it, right? If that's really your hobby and you really love it, you're going to buy cameras, you're going to buy lenses, you're going to buy a carrying case, you're going to buy lens wipers and sprays and all kinds of, then you're buying another camera. You want to be a collector. You want to have this and this and this and this and this. If people are enthusiasts and they buy something over and over and over again, they're going to continue to buy something over and over and over again. There are people who are like gamers and they buy the same game on different consoles over and over and over and over again, right? So what you want to do with this massive data and this data of buyers that Google gets through Gmail is you want to target those buyers. You want to put your ads in front of people that have already bought things inside of that niche. If you're promoting some kind of dating offer, then put your ad in front of people that have been recently looking into getting back in the marketplace, getting into dating. Maybe they're older. You can target people by age. You can target people by income. You can target. Google has so much data and they know who the buyers are. This stuff is extremely powerful. And I'm going to give you the last piece here, the last but not least piece of why YouTube Shorts ads are super profitable for affiliate marketing. You ready? Here we go. Plain and simple, to put it plain and simple, YouTube Shorts right now are a priority for YouTube. Period, point blank. It's big, it's huge, it's gigantic. YouTube is falling behind TikTok as far as viewership for these shorts. Okay, so short form content, ever since TikTok came out just a few years ago and changed its name from Musical.ly over to TikTok, and it's been growing and growing and growing and growing, it has sent shock waves throughout all of the other social media competitors. And with Facebook, they have Instagram Reels now, they have Facebook that have like short content. Short content seems to be the very, very best way to go right now. Everyone is into it. People are spending more time on their phones. They're scrolling, watching short form videos. YouTube is not stupid. / Google, they're not stupid, so they didn't want to miss out on the party, right? They don't want to miss out on the party. They are currently pushing, at the time of this recording, they're pushing the crap out of YouTube Shorts. So not just organic videos that are uploaded as YouTube Shorts and they're pushing it out to people trying to compete with TikTok. Hey, look at this. They want to compete for eyeballs, right? But they're also pushing as a priority ads for YouTube Shorts because they want to monetize the ads of these people scrolling and looking at, short form content and whatnot. Basically, YouTube Shorts is a huge priority right now. So if you start running advertising here on YouTube as YouTube Shorts and you're spending even $5 a day, you're going to reach a very large audience with a ton of data behind you. And you say to YouTube, hey, I only want to target buyers who are 40 years old, who have the money to spend for this, shoot my ads out there. You have laser targeted ads. YouTube is prioritizing your ads right now because they're in fierce competition with TikTok. And that's a perfect storm that we call the holy grail of all marketing. When you are in at the right time with the right system, with the right stuff, boom, you're making a crap ton of money. Now, with that being said, I didn't have enough time in this video to go over a massive tutorial, go into the back office, go into the ad account, show you how to set up an entire ad, show you how to shoot a video, show you how to build out your funnel, show you how to build out all this stuff. Instead, what I'm going to tell you is if you book a call down below in the description, you can book a call with our team at the Affiliate Franchise, and we'll walk you through exactly how you can do this, how you can come work with us, and we'll help build it out for you, okay? So we can actually map out all this YouTube Shorts ad stuff and have you set up with the right offer, with the right funnels, with the right ads, and take advantage of this platform that's a huge, huge priority right now. Very cheap ads, very high return. Don't miss out on this because we all know what happens happens next. We all know what happened with Facebook. It got super oversaturated. The ads cost started skyrocketing, and now it became unprofitable to do it. Facebook is in that place right now. Get away from Facebook. Even TikTok is starting to get oversaturated now, but YouTube Shorts right now is a huge priority for YouTube, and they're pushing the crap out of it, and they've got the data, okay? So it's very, very simple right now. This is where you want to make money. Now, watch the rest of my channel, subscribe. I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.